that not wearing a mask can render you fined a substantial amount of money. Now there are those who will say that once we start implementing this, fining people who are not wearing masks, and people have said this to me, that if we start this fining, then all we will be doing is that the police, our enforcement agencies, are going to start demanding that you give them something so that they don't take you to court. I challenge you. I want to see the day when, even when you are wearing a mask, a policeman will ask you for something, TKK. I want to challenge you. So if you have to pay, then, you know, if you want to bribe somebody because you don't have a mask, surely, is that the CEC's responsibility? Is that a responsibility for the CEC? It is not. Is it my responsibility? I don't think so. It's squarely your responsibility. And your parting away with that money is something that will be painful. So why go through that? Why don't we all just say, in order for us to keep the economy going, in order for us to keep these jobs going, why don't we just agree as Kenyans that please, let me save my brother's job,